Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with my kit lineup for November. And it's a thick one, I'm not gonna lie, because we have the two planners going. I'm so excited to show you all my combos because I feel like I sat down, no joke, for 3 hours and figured out all of November and December. And that was after already having like a little bit of an idea of what was going on. I just feel like I want these months to be the greatest because I just love Christmas. My back is hurting today, y'all. I'm just like over it. So let's go ahead and get into the kit lineup. So first things first is the week of November 6th through the 12th. I sell these little labels in my shop. They're like marble kind of esque weekly kit labels. And then this is a B6 from Print Pression. And then these are his sticker kit holders, like sleeves. So where all my stuff's from. So let's go ahead and open this one first. This one is Christmas Countdown. I think this is really, really pretty art. We have the kit along with the doodles and the fashion boxes. This is the ultimate kit. All of the kits that I'm using are ultimate kits, and the add-ons will vary. Then as far as foil goes for this kit, I feel like a lot of these kits this week I am going kind of wild and crazy-ish, but I decided to use the Plana Hannah Christmas lights. These are the new version of the Christmas lights, and I'm using it. I believe it's in burgundy and dark green. If you want to like double check with me with any of the colors before you buy, let me know. But I thought this was a really pretty combo, so I did get the Christmas lights in both of those. And then I also did get the lights underlays in both of those. I thought it was just like a really pretty combo. And then with this, I'm going to be using another foil color with it, and I'm going to be using matte bronze. I did pull out I believe this is the shimmer foil bundle, and I think these colors kind of like borderline. They're not like shiny, but they're not matte. They're like in the middle. So I think that'll be really pretty with it. So I have that. And then I also from last year have, it was like the font of the month, I believe in like October or November, which is really cute. It has like little snowflakes on it in matte bronze. So this was my old, what is this called? Custom multi, but I did order more custom multis for a lot of these spreads. So just know I get those from Hannah. I have a coupon code down below. I also had this from last year that I ended up not using for whatever reason it was. And I had like matching like the fonts. So I just pulled this in because I was like shopping my stash, and then I just pulled in some hole reinforcers from my shop. I think this is a really pretty combo, like with these reds and greens, and then bringing in this matte bronze. I just think this is a really pretty combo. I mean, you could totally just do this or even do this with like a silver, or I think silver probably the best option, not gold, but with silver I think would be really pretty as well. But for me, I just think this was the vibe, this was the energy, and like I said, I'm trying to do some like different type of foils and combos this holiday season. So this is kind of where we started with Christmas Countdown. Then that's for my filming planner. This is for my non-filming planner, and this is the Whoville kit. This was a pop mystery, so you can no longer pick this up. There's actually a bunch of stuff in here. Let me pull it out. You can no longer pick this up, but I'm hoping in the new year, once everything kind of slows down, to be able to offer some of the past pop mysteries like more like available. I have like an idea, so we'll get into that whenever I finalize all the ideas. But let me go ahead and go through what I'm thinking for this one. So I did pick up some stuff from Hannah first, and that's kind of like where the ideas started. Well, first, I have the kit, right? The ultimate kit. I have the doodles, and then I have the 2 extra colors because I really do want to do like all of the colors in the spread. I think it's gonna be really pretty. Then I thought one with this that'd be really pretty is Shattered Hollow. And I did pick up the candy cane underlays. I thought it'd be really cute. And I like the Shattered Hollow. I think like any hollow, like hollow, sparkly hollow, pixie hollow, Shattered Hollow, heart hollow would all look really pretty with this one. Also just silver would be nice. Or if you wanted to do like a red or something like that. But I just think the Shattered Hollow is really pretty. Excuse me, candy cane underlays, and then I also did pick up the peppermint 15 millimeter bottom washi. Probably just going to use the one or the other, kind of leaning more towards the candy cane. I also picked up some custom quotes. This one says, maybe Christmas doesn't come from a store, maybe Christmas perhaps means a little bit more, and help me, I'm feeling somebody's fabulous, and hate, 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 double hate, loathe entirely. And those are from Hannah in font 2 in Shattered Hollow. And then I also just have this freebie that was in Shattered Hollow that I got with an order. Then to kind of like supplement that, I did pull out some foil from me. So I did pull out the like this is like the Christmas 15mm washi, and I think I'm going to use the Christmas trees. It is a like pixie sparkly hollow, but I think that it'll like go once the whole spread's together. And then also to kind of go along with that, in sparkly hollow, I did pull out from the Christmas winter, it's in the Christmas section, but they're literally snowflakes, in sparkly hollow for the headers. And then I also did pull out, just in the chunky confetti, some sparkly hollow full box overlay, since there is already so much like patterns and things going on in here. I thought that that was a really, really cute combo, and I'm very excited for that. I think it's gonna be very, very fun, and that's for my non-filming planner. Then for my filming planner, I'm using this kit called Tinsel. So this is the week that Amanda is getting married, which I'm very excited about. She's one of my bestie pals. So for this week, I wanted to use something a little bit more Amanda's vibe in my planners. So we'll get the other one we'll get into as well, but this one's Tinsel, so it's a little bit more like mature and chic. I do have both fashion in 3 and 6, as well as the doodles, and I do have the ultimate kit, of course. And then for this one, I also kind of shot my stash, which was fun. So I had found these, and I think I had planned to use this last year, and for whatever reason didn't use it, but these are the holiday leaves in matte bronze and matte silver. And then to kind of like go along with that, those were already in my collection. I also had these already in my collection, which are the matte silver mini Christmas icons, the matte bronze mini icons, and then another one of each of those custom multis. And then from like my shop stuff, I decided I wanted to do, since this is like a more open pattern, I'm going to do matte bronze underneath the matte silver, and then matte silver underneath the matte bronze, which I don't know, by the time that this video comes out, I won't have posted them, but I'm pretty sure, I think matte bronze or lavender hollow is sold out in the bougies, but I will have a restock of those. And then I also am going to be adding matte silver, I think matte silver, matte gold, and something else in the bougies. So I will have those a la carte soon. And then I'm also going to be using the shimmer matte bronze, matte silver foil bundle. I think that's going to work out perfectly together. And then I also just had this random freebie. It's my freebie if you use my code for the month of November, I believe. Or sorry, October. Well, actually, I think it's going to be for a while. So if you use my code, you get that. And it is all just going to look really cute, really pretty and chic with this, I think. I kind of went back and forth between that and then like golden champagne lights would have been really pretty with it, or just using one of those foil colors, or even lavender hollow, or like lavender hollow and gold hollow would be really pretty with as well. So that is for my actual planner for the week of November 13th through the 19th. Then for my filming planner, I wanted to use like an actual wedding kit, and I've been saving this one for a really long time since it came out from Crest Press to use for when Amanda got married, because I feel like this is just very Amanda vibes. And I'll go ahead and just like kind of show you this real quick. So this is the front pages. I'll just move the things around. So this is like the kit, and it kind of works out for like the venue and stuff. You'll hear more about it like after it happens in my plans, but I think it's really, really pretty. It's called Enchanted. I'm pretty sure it was exclusive art, and I'm keeping this one really simple. I did go ahead and order like custom quote boxes for this, and I had Amanda send me her like wedding logo-y thing, and she had this other like graphic of their house like drawn, and I got those to put over some boxes. But I just went ahead and pulled out hearts underlays from my shop in silver, as well as a silver confetti foil bundle, and I'm just going to keep it really simple and then add in those nice like touches of the quotes and such. And I think it's gonna be really pretty simple and just nice for a wedding week. Then moving on to Thanksgiving week, this is November 20th through the 26th. I am using the Autumn Dream Kit. I thought this gave mad Thanksgiving vibes. And whenever I released this kit, I was like, oh, you know, it'd be really good with this, Lavender Hollow. So I am using Lavender Hollow with this, which I think is definitely like a little different, but I think like it just works. I think it's going to be so fun. So I did go ahead and buy these from Hannah. These are the plaid too. I think they look really pretty with this. And then I just had some extras of a confetti bundle, but I am using a Lavender Hollow confetti. This is version 1, but it still works. And then, like I said, I just have the extras in here. And then add-on wise, I did have the doodles, the extra color, and then the 2 different fashions because I wasn't sure what I wanted to use. I also have whole reinforcers just put in here. And then I also do have these leaves overlays, which are available in like Lavender Hollow, Champagne Lights, I believe, Gold Hollow, and then the core. But I thought that those would be nice to mix in. I do have a quote box in with, I believe it's this kit. I'm also using Lavender Hollow. So sometimes I'll like pre-plan. So these are for this kit, and then I have Friendsgiving, like Thanksgiving, but with people you like. And then when I'm done with this kit, I'll move it into here. And there's other spreads that are like that as well. I don't have the scripts, but like for example, this kit here is in silver, and whenever I was planning it, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it in silver. So I actually sent the quote boxes to Hannah just because it made her life easy. But I did do 2 of this one, and then there is a kit next month, which I mean for the Home Alone kit, I am using silver as well. So I just had 2 Home Alone quotes on that one, and then I was able to, like, I don't want 4 quotes per spread unless I'm feeling feisty, but it's nice to have some custom quotes, and whenever you're like planning a big bulk of time, you can do that and like plan ahead and then have just a couple of like 2 quotes and call it a day. So that's my Thanksgiving spread. And then this was my note to keep this on here because this just came out this week. This is going to be the week also we're going to see the Songbirds and Snakes. I was like big fan of Hunger Games when it came out, so I'm really excited to go see this. I pulled out the freebie. Sorry, one second. I don't really know too much about it. I saw like the trailer, and that's about all. But I have the doodle and the extra color here, ultimate kit. And then I do have the bundles from Hannah. So I have it in Lavender Hollow and Gold Hollow. Just, I thought that the Gold Hollow matched this gold like perfectly. And then the Lavender Hollow is a really nice match for this like pewter color along with like some of the other colors. It just draws it all in. And I just like whenever I can use these foils together, I'd like to. And I also do have in the confetti version too, a confetti version of Lavender Hollow and Gold Hollow. So I thought that that was really fun, and I'm just going to kind of like pull a little, and then depending on how much I like the movie, maybe I will like buy some quotes to kind of like go along with the spread for later, like that are like actually in the movie. Otherwise I'll just kind of keep it blank. But there's a couple boxes in here, like the freebie box, that I feel like would look really good with some quotes on top. But we'll kind of wait and see on that one. But I really love that combination. Like I'm really trying with like fun combinations. Obviously I'm really leaning into that matte bronze, but can you blame me? The next kit here is November 27th through the 3rd, and this is Buddy the Elf, which was also a pop mystery. And this one, again, I'm going really, really fun, I think. So this one here, I don't know why I have these in here. I think it was just in case I, for some reason, changed my mind. But, oh no, I have, okay, I see what I did here. Sometimes I'm just never sure what's going on. All right, so my initial thought here, I'm pretty sure this is dark green and red. Again, if you want to know the exact color I use, let me know down below. I think Tony, my neighbor, is driving his motorcycle right now. Just kidding. It's like a moving truck. But we're just going to power through it. I'm sorry if you could hear that. So I think this is really cute. These are peppermint. I thought it was adorable. Since there's a little bit of space in the background there, though, I am going to use the gold bougie boxes underneath it. I think it'll be really, really pretty. Then, speaking of red and green, this green in the red and green mixed metal, I believe this is in shimmer or sparkle. And this green is a little tiny bit lighter, but I don't think you're going to be able to notice in the full spread. But whenever I can use this foil bundle, I want to use it. So I think that this is going to be the time. But I am also going to be bringing in some gold elements to kind of like break up the red and the green. So I do have a string light foil bundle from Hannah, mostly because I thought that these headers would be really cute. But I just figured whatever I don't use, I can use in a future spread. Like I'm obviously not going to be using these since I'm going to be using this. But I can always save these and use them with the kit later. Other things that I'm going to be bringing in is I do have this bottom washi. I think I might use the Christmas trees from it. This is from the Christmas a la carte stuff from my shop. I also have this, which is 15 millimeter custom. So the best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing aloud for all to hear. And again, since I planned ahead, I will honor Christmas in my heart and try to keep it all the year. That is for the Christmas Carol kit, which I am using next month in December. Then I also did get some quotes. This is one that like I will for sure use for quotes because Elf is my favorite movie and the like movie that I quote the most. So I just picked some of my favorites. So Son of a Nutcracker, Santa, oh my God, Santa's here. I know him. I love you, I love you, I love you. And you sit on a throne of lies. And I just feel like that is so fun and like literally like a pile of foil, but I have no regrets. No regrets. I think it's going to be so fun, so cute. I love Elf, so it's my favorite. Like Step Brothers, I need all the quotes on those because I just love Will Ferrell. And then for my non-filming planner, I am going to use Christmas. This one's kind of cool because I am doing no foil. I think I did order something for this though. I ordered underlays. I think I ordered, I actually have a note of everything I ordered. Like pull that out. It's like a really messy note, or I would show you. For this one, I ordered, what is this called? Christmas. I don't know what they're doing outside. Deck the Halls underlays in black I did order, so. And then a lot of these I did end up ordering custom multis in the font choice 2. So I'll add those when they come in. But yeah, this one I'm going to do a no foil look, which I like to do like once every couple of months. I think no foil is kind of a fun look. I'll show you a base I did with no foil. So this is just literally like black and then everything else. I just think it's fun. It looks very like flat, but I kind of like it like in specific spreads. And I think this one will look really cool with just like black accents and then all the colors on top of it. I think it's going to be a vibe. So my friends, this is driving me nuts. Well, thank goodness I'm almost done filming. I don't even know like really what's going on. It looks like maybe somebody's moving because it looks like they have a forklift and they're driving like down the street and getting like U-Haul boxes. Maybe somebody's moving. But anyways, that is everything for this month, November's kit lineup. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got some inspiration. Let me know if you're going to use any of these foil combos, if we're using any of the same ones. Like, so happen that you already came up with the idea because like honestly, great minds think alike. That's where I'm at in life. So that's everything. I hope you liked it and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.